I made 100K from a single video with no big team, no fancy equipment, and no viral moment. And you can too. I'm going to show you how you can recreate your own $100,000 video. So there are 4 things that you need to know about and have down packed in order to get yourself a $100,000 video. You need to have the correct niche. You need to focus on CPM, affiliate marketing, and research. I'm going to break down each topic so you can know exactly what it is. And I'm going to show you my numbers for just one video. I can't show everything, but I'll show you one of my $100,000 videos and how you can do it too. And today's video is sponsored by Upwork. Now, I didn't just do this on my own. I had to hire some help, and I was able to do that with Upwork. Upwork allows you to hire freelancers on your own terms to help you with your small business. You need to be running your YouTube channel like a small business from the beginning, and hiring someone is the first step in doing that. As you can see, I've spent thousands of dollars on Upwork. I'm going to show you the platform and why you need to invest your money in getting a freelancer on Upwork to help you grow your small business, whether it's YouTube, whatever you do, there's someone that you can hire on Upwork to help you out, to take a load off. Hire and find talent on Upwork, and they have categories for pretty much anything that you need for your small business. Not only is it easy, but it's also affordable, and you can find some of the best talent on the platform. Not only that, it's safe for you to do, and no matter who you are interested in working with, they have their profile, they have a portfolio, and they make it extremely easy for you to message directly to your freelancer, have great conversations, and make sure you're hiring the right person. And what I love most about the platform is that it protects you and your funds, and it also protects the freelancer. As you can see, I worked with Kuram for almost 3 years, and I've spent thousands of dollars on the platform, and it has been an amazing experience in taking a load off of my small business YouTube channel. And use my link below to start hiring today. This is the video, and we're gonna get right into it. This video got about 169,000 views, and the estimated revenue is about $21,363. How do you achieve that? I'm gonna break it down so you guys can recreate this on your channels, but let's talk about it. So, and this video is dead. It doesn't really get any views anymore, but this is one of my first $100,000 videos. So, how much advertisers pay? So this is huge. So it's $167.29 per thousand views. That is called the CPM, and that is pretty much unheard of on YouTube. Now the RPM is around $126. So that's how much I actually get paid per thousand views. So usually a CPM for a channel is like $5, $7, on a good end $35. So my channel is very unique in that I have super high CPMs. So that is a way that I was able to make such a large amount of money off this video. Now I'm gonna go and show you the other half of this video on how I made money with affiliate marketing and how I made up the other amount of the $100,000. So I can show you guys the true numbers so you know this is not cap, and show you how you can do it too. More than this because it shows my personal information, but as you can see, commissions to date for that company that I previously worked with that actually kicked me out of their program, but I was able to find another one, was $78,325. So in total, my $100,000 video came up to $99,688. So that's close enough to $100,000 for me. And so those are the numbers. Now let's get into how you can do this too. Okay, so number 1 and number 2 go really close together. It's niche and CPM. So what happens when you get on YouTube, people tell you need to bunker down, you need to pick one topic and talk about that and all that good stuff, and you can do that. It just depends on what's best for you, but picking your niche is super important on how much money you're going to be making. So CPM is cost per mile. YouTube measures that in the thousands. So for instance, if your CPM for a single video is $5, you would get paid from YouTube's advertisers $5 per 1,000 views. And that's how that works, right? Period, point blank, there's nothing else. Now, your niche is what's going to determine that. Now, most people want to do vlogs and lifestyle and stuff like that, and those things just don't pay a lot. The top 5 niches for YouTube. So the top 5 are personal finance and investing, tech reviews and unboxings, online business and side hustles, education and how-to videos, and health and fitness and weight loss. Those are the ones that advertisers pay the most money for, and it's going to get you the most bang for your buck on your channel. Now, right, you're like, I don't want to do any of those things. That's not where my passion is. That is not a problem. So say you are a makeup artist and you want to get those high CPMs. Yes, you can make makeup content, but make your channel business focused. You can say how to make $500 today as a makeup artist, how to start your own makeup line, how to make lip glosses to sell to your clients. There's so many different ways that you can incorporate your love for makeup with one of those niches. I always say it wrong, but whatever. With one of those in order to make your channel CPM higher. So CPM and RPM are the 2 things that we're going to talk about. CPM is a cost per mile. RPM is the revenue per milli. I had to double check. Revenue per milli. So these 2 things are how you make your money through YouTube AdSense. That's only one way you make money off of a video is YouTube AdSense. So CPM is the number that the advertiser pays. RPM is what you actually make. So as you can see from my channel, my CPMs are crazy high. You can see, I'm gonna put on the screen the average CPMs for these channel types. And literally the average CPM, realistically, if you put it dead smack in the middle, I would say is about $6. $7 in a good time. It really depends. Like lifestyle is about $6, education is about $12, software and tech is about $20. But guys, as you can see, my CPMs are hundreds of dollars. And that is because I have a very special channel, and that's because I did a lot of research before I started this channel, because I went into this as running a small business. That is the key. Okay, so affiliate marketing. If you're not understanding what affiliate marketing is that you are marketing a brand's products, its services, whatever, as an affiliate. So you are in their program, you're using your platform to promote their product or service, and if people purchase items through your link, you get paid. Now, there's places like Amazon where you can do affiliate marketing. There's places like affiliate marketing platforms like Impact or ShareSale that you can make money from as a whole. There's so many ways to get into affiliate marketing, and it's really up to you to do the research to find what's best for you. Now, affiliate marketing and how you're gonna make like $80,000 from it pretty much is very simple. Is spread it wide. Go on ChatGPT and say, hey, for makeup artists, what are some affiliate programs that I can join and who pays the most? It's easier now. Back then I had to do research to make this happen. Now there's so many programs and things that you can assist yourself with that you can do this. But you really are looking for an affiliate program that pays a lot, or you want to sell a product that costs a lot, because that is going to get you more money. So for my $80,000 that I made from affiliate marketing, I was with Busy. I think they're Busy now, but at the time they were Inkfile, and they actually kicked me out of their affiliate marketing program because I made too much money. They like threatened me, mind you. But it's neither here nor there. I ended up with another company. It worked out way better. They actually paid me for content, so whatever. But anyways, so they paid me, at the time they paid me $75 per conversion for people getting an LLC service. So every time someone clicked on my link, got an LLC, I got paid $75. Now, it doesn't take a lot of people to make a lot when you have a high affiliate marketing amount for your channel or for your business or for your brand or for that video. So my video got about 169,000 views currently, and to get that $80,000, I only had to get 1,066 people to purchase the service through my video. That is less than 1% of the people that viewed the video that actually registered through the service and purchased it that I got paid for. So you see how little amount of people actually have to use the service on your video to get paid a lot if you work with the correct numbers. Now, I'm gonna give you a freebie. This works, and I've actually made like $1,500 with them in like the last month. I'm gonna give you a freebie. This can work for any channel, any niche, as long as you sell a service of something that somebody can buy, you can use this. So Rakuten is like a cashback service. It's like an app you download on your web browser. You use it, you get cashback, and it's cool. You get a check every 3 months, every 90 days, whatever. That's how Rakuten works. Now, Upwork, you know, they're a sponsor of the video. They actually offer cash back through Rakuten. So they're one of the places that I use. Upwork, you guys seen. I spend thousands of dollars on Upwork. So it is very easy for me to use the service and get cash back for stuff that I'm already purchasing. Now, Rakuten has a referral service. You don't have to get approved into their affiliate account. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is sign up and you can start selling the Rakuten service. So they pay $30 per sign up, and the only thing that your viewer has to do is use the web browser to purchase something. Why it's a win-win is that the person who's using the service gets cash back for stuff they were already gonna buy, and you get $30 for the referral, and they get $30 for the referral. So it's a win-win. It's an easy thing to sell, and that's gonna allow you to make $30 per user for a very simple thing that you just plug in. You plug it in your video, you put it in your description, and that's that. Now, even if you get 100 people to use your link for Rakuten in a month, that's $3,000. Now, if you get a really great video that gets like 10,000 views, and you get 1% of people to use it, 100 people, that's really, really good. You make $3,000 off a video that has no sponsor, that you're not even in, you don't have to even be in YouTube AdSense to make this money. So that is a way, and I'm showing you guys how affiliate marketing can make you thousands of dollars without even being in a YouTube partner program. Now, yes, it does require views, it does require some things, but you don't get something for nothing in this world. So that is how you can make money from affiliate marketing for your channel for any niche. That was a freebie. Don't be stealing my my subscriber Rakuten referrals, because those are good. They come in every month from a video that's performing really well. But that's how affiliate marketing works. Now, you can go on you can get invited to Amazon. Temu is a really great one. They pretty much accept anybody. There are affiliate marketing platforms like Impact. I'm really good on Impact. I like them. ShareSell, they just switched to AdWin. But that's an affiliate marketing platform, and there's tons of them out there. I always tell people use ChatGPT. It is free. You can literally search what affiliate marketing programs are there for makeup artists, and you'll find tons of them. I don't know if Sephora has one, but with a little quick search, you can definitely find one. But even if you are a makeup artist and you say, hey, this blush is really great, you should use it. Say, hey, this blush is really great, you should use it. And if you download Rakuten and purchase this blush, not only will you get this great blush, but you'll get 2% back on this blush that you're purchasing. And in 3 months, you'll randomly get a check from Rakuten for that 2%. Just like that, you made money, they see the benefit, you see the benefit, and it's a great thing. And then Rakuten, you get a big fat, they call it a big fat check. I set mine up for PayPal. They send it directly to my PayPal every 90 days, and it's easy money. Anybody can do it, and that is a way that you can get yourself to $100,000 video. Now, you may not make $100,000 from that strategy, but you can make $5,000, you can make $10,000. It is not impossible. So affiliate marketing with AdSense is a way to get yourself to $100,000 video without any sponsorship from any companies, which is amazing. And I know I put this last, but it's one of the most important things is research. Now, I told you about your niche. You need to research it. You need to find people who are successfully doing what you're already doing. Look on YouTube, there's so many YouTube services. I think it's called, which one do I use? Hold on. TubeBuddy. I think TubeBuddy's kind of dated, but I still use it. TubeBuddy. There's so many different tools out there where you can find out a brief estimate of what people are making, and there's just so many ways that you can get research on YouTube. Now there's ChatGPT. There's whole channels like Think Media. It's a really, really great channel when you want to, that's the channel that I use to learn about YouTube and how to really do this thing. But put the time in to research what you're doing, because that research is going to allow you to come out of the gate making money. I went full time on YouTube with 10,000 subscribers. With 10,000 subscribers, I was making thousands of dollars a month because I had a strategy. I did research, and I was able to like implement this as a small business and not just like a content creator who enjoys it. Yes, you can enjoy content creation, you can enjoy what you do, but ultimately you want to make money doing it, and that's how you can. So use ChatGPT, use other people's YouTube videos, see what people are commenting. That's a great one too. If you go in a video, how to make $1,000 a day, right? Oh, people make those type of videos all the time. Go through the comments. If you see a similar question asked from multiple people, make a video on that, how to make $1,000 today plus that. So say people are in the comments or in that make $1,000 a day video talking about how can I get a website, you know, like, yes, you want to make $1,000 a day, but how do I make the website to make that $1,000? That's what you do. Say how do you make $1,000 a day and how to get a website for that. Usually if you say stuff is free, low cost, inexpensive, that's going to reach out to the masses and get as many people as possible to your video. Search titles, search thumbnails, search everything. Those combinations of things are going to help your channel be successful right away. And I know I'm talking about the channel in general, but these are overall everything that you need to incorporate in order to get one of those videos that's going to make you a lot of money. And the thing is, once you do it, once you find your secret sauce for your channel one time, you can replicate it. Now, here's the thing. I will let you know. I will be 100% honest. Let me know down below if you can guess the other videos on my channel in which I was able to replicate this and make a similar amount of money for videos. So let me know what you think. Now guys, I have a very special channel. My channel is special because I'm special. And I did the work and I did the research and I've done a lot of things, and ultimately it has paid off. So that is my formula, my 4-part formula on how you can make how you can get $100,000 video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Was this helpful? And also, are you going to be using Upwork? Because Upwork, you can pretty much use it for anything. I love Upwork, and guys, like I showed you, I spend thousands of dollars on there. So let me know what you think. My name is Akira, and I will see you in the next one.